The State Council of Science, Technology and Environment (Scste), in collaboration with VIGYAN PRASAR and in association with Shillong Science Centre, will be organizing a week-long science festival starting from the 22nd of February till the 28th of February this year at All Saints Hall, Shillong, daily from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Speaking to media persons, Program Officer Scste CP AIM informed that the festival is part of the celebration of the 75th year of India's independence and also as a part of the Golden Jubilee celebration of the state of Meghalaya. During this week-long celebration, there will be different programs, especially for students, on science polarization. This festival will also be held at the Tura Science Centre in the Garo Hills.
The State Council of Science, Technology and Environment, Meghalaya, in partnership with VIGYAN PRASAR and in association with the Shillong Science Centre, we are organizing a week-long festival for science and technology, which is a part of the 75 years of independence of our country, as well as the Golden Jubilee celebration of our state. We are organizing this week-long celebration from the 22nd, which will culminate on the 28th of February, which is also a National Science Day. And during this long week celebration, we have different programs which we are organizing at the All Saints Hall from 10 to 5 o'clock in the evening. And as I've said, this is the program which is in association with the VIGYAN PRASAR, in partnership with them. VIGYAN PRASAR is the autonomous body of the Department of Science and Technology, and the State Council of Science and Technology is also an autonomous body of the state government, which is looking after the science and technology in the state. And in the State Council of Science and Technology, we have different wings, and this is the wing. We have one wing which is looking after the science popularization, and this is the part of the science popularization program of the council. And during on the first day, there will be an inaugural function, as well as there will be a special program where there will be an exhibition on wheels put up by the Indian Space Research Organization on that particular day, on the first day. And this is a very interesting exhibition by them, where lots of equipments which is related with space will be put up, and this bus they'll go from one place to another place on these following days, and we'll be having one point in Nongpo, where they'll be also halting over there for the benefit of the children and the public as a whole in the place in the Ribhoi district. And this program also, this week-long celebration, is also being organized at Tura also, at the Tura Science Centre. In fact, VIGYAN PRASAR have identified 75 locations, which is corresponding with the 75 years of independence. They have selected 75 locations in the whole country, where Shillong is one of the center. But we from the State Council of Science and Technology, we thought that we should also bring this location. We should divide this location between Shillong and Tura for the benefit of the whole state as a whole, for the two regions.